Okay everyone, so this little section I did my lawn with the Dethatcher on 5, which is the second one from the, well, the second one from the lowest, I think. I don't know, it's the one that says for healthy grass, but my grass is not healthy. This is how my grass looks. It's a little moss in there you can't see, but you see all these dry, ugly patches of dead grass. You can see on the street lawn where there's some. It's just everywhere, brown spots. I blew those leaves out the bushes. But I can tell this Sun Joe is working already. Look at all this dead grass it pulled up. Look at it. So I'm gonna do a little section at a time because my lawn is pretty big. But this thing, it pushes fairly easy. I mean, it pulls along, it goes along, and it's very lightweight, so it's not even like a lawnmower. It's very lightweight. It just pulls along. It makes it easy, very, very easy to use. I have a cord on it, pretty long cord, so I don't know how far to stretch. If it doesn't stretch, I'll just plug it in through the front door, front hallway. Right now it's plugged in through my garage over there. But you can see it's doing a really good job getting this thatch up, and this is the part that I didn't do yet. So we'll see.
Hey, this is just the first pass. I went this way from the house to the street. Now I'm gonna go from driveway to driveway.
Will not bag at all.